How's it going, YouTube? Tyler Polaris here, guys. Going to be explaining to you all what a bore snake is and why you should use one to clean your firearm. Okay, so real quick, a bore snake is essentially an all-in-one tool to clean your barrel. Putting wire brushes and stuff down your barrel and patches, honestly, in my opinion, is a thing of the past. And these bore snakes are super easy and stuff like that. However, when you buy them, they might tell you you can machine wash them. Don't even waste your time. I would just, if you really use it that much, just buy a new one. So, a bore snake essentially made up of 3 parts. You have your string that you pull it through the barrel. You've got wire bristles built in to the bore snake, and then you've got essentially the drag tail that cleans what the bristles break free. Okay, this is a very easy system, and they make it for just about any caliber you can buy, and most bore snakes are good for multiple calibers. Granted, that doesn't mean try to get one for a 7.62 and try to put it down at a 5.56 barrel, because it will get stuck. This little black string will break, and you will be in a world of pain in your ass. And actually, the black string probably won't break because it's 550 cord. So unless you're the Hulk, you probably aren't going to break that very easy. Anyways, though, it's a very easy concept. Okay, so you can do this with both actually, you can do it while the weapon, with most weapons, you can do this while it's attached, and it's actually easier to do it while the barrel is still in the weapon, so you can grab onto the weapon as like a counterweight or as a counter grapple. So always run your bore snakes, your brushes, whatever, with the grooves of the barrel. So this is what makes this nice, is you could not get a barrel brush in there like this. That'd be physically impossible. So you take the little tail end, okay, put it in the barrel hole, feed it all the way through, okay, and this is the same concept for everything. Okay, this is a nice thing though with the handguns, is you can do it while it's in one piece. Well, you can do it with almost any weapon. I can do it while it's still attached in pieces. So you pull it through, as you already saw, it comes through. The tricky part is with this though, it can get caught in the breech, so just make sure you're not, yanking on something you're not supposed to be if it's caught, and you just literally, you pull it through. That is the easiest way to do it. With this, a lot of the time, I like to shoot some Rem oil down my barrels, and then I'll run this snake through it. I usually do it 3 to 5 times, and then I call it good. Never had an issue. The big important thing though is make sure you run it with how the bullet exits the barrel. Don't run it against the rifles. Run it with the grooves. So that's about it, guys. If you do not have a bore snake in your cleaning kit for your calibers and your weapons, you should get them. They're cheap. You can get them from anywhere from, you can get cheap ones off eBay for less than 10 bucks, but they usually run anywhere from about, I think, like 12 to 20 bucks, depending what you get. And I have had this bore snake for coming up on 6 years now, and it still works just as fine as it did when I got it. So anyways, guys, that sums it up. Thank you for watching, and definitely go out and get yourself a bore snake to clean your weapons with. Have a good one.